There are so many ways to build wealth through real estate. Let's go there. Did you know that your primary residence is one of the very best ways to build and shelter equity? But it's not the only long-term real estate investment we should consider. We can help you generate passive income through inherited properties or rental properties. We can help you defer taxes with 1031 exchange properties, and we can also help you diversify your portfolio with commercial properties. For any of these assets, we recommend you speak to your accountant. Let's work together as a team. All of my contact information is below. I'm Glenn Schmidt with RE/MAX of Stewart.